A journalist can write to inform and entertain, but also to expose corruption. That's the gist of investigative reporting. Stories that expose the misconduct of government and business, the rich and the powerful. It's a proud journalistic tradition, dating back to the days of Nellie Bly's expose of 19th century insane asylums, to Woodward and Bernstein's historic revelations about Watergate, to the more recent story of the Boston Globe, uncovering a massive scandal of child molestation and cover-up within the local Catholic archdiocese, as profiled in the 2015 movie Spotlight. Now, when you talk about investigative journalism, what we mean is the investigation is the work of the reporter. If the city police do an investigation of someone and a reporter covers it, that's news, but it's not investigative reporting. The subject of an investigative reporting piece must involve something of importance to the readers. And the third criterion is that others are attempting to hide these matters from the public. Now, investigative reporting is similar to traditional news reporting in that you should be skeptical of any information you receive, but also try to remain objective. Focus tightly on a specific subject rather than on a broad problem. Collect as much information as you can and cultivate as many sources as possible.